Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. So let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square minus px plus r equal to 0, and alpha by 2 comma 2 beta be the two roots of the equation. So we have another equation which is x square minus qx plus r equal to 0. Then find the value of r. The value of r is what? Okay, solution. So we have two quadratic equation. In this question we have two quadratic equation. The first quadratic equation is x square minus px plus r equal to 0, and the root of this equation is alpha and beta. So we have another quadratic equation. So let me write here, that is x square minus qx plus r equal to 0. So here alpha by 2 and 2 beta be the two roots of this quadratic equation. Okay. So we know that general form of a quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta, x plus product of the roots alpha into beta equal to 0. So comparing first quadratic equation and then the general form of the quadratic equation, so we have alpha plus beta which is equal to p, and product of roots alpha into beta which is equal to r. Okay, so this is my first equation. Next, so coming to this quadratic equation, second quadratic equation, again we have to compare these two, general form and the second quadratic equation. So here alpha by 2 and 2 beta is the root of the equation, so that alpha by 2 plus 2 beta which is equal to q, because the two roots are in the form of alpha by 2, 2 beta. In this first quadratic equation, the two roots are in the form of alpha and beta. So that is a difference here. So alpha by 2 plus 2 beta which is equal to q. So simplify this, alpha plus 4 beta which is equal to 2q, and the product of the roots. So alpha by 2 into 2 beta which is equal to, here we have r. So r. So 2 2's are cancel. So alpha beta equal to r. So this is my second equation. So this is equation 2. So we have equation 1 also. Here we have equation 1. So in solving these two equations, so alpha plus 4 beta which is equal to 2q, alpha plus beta which is equal to p. So we have to find alpha and beta. So first of all, our ultimate aim is find the value of r. So find the value of r, which means we have to find alpha and we have to find beta, and then we have to multiply it. We will find the value of r. So here we are going to find the value of alpha and beta. So here I am going to solve this equation. Okay, so elimination method, I am using elimination method. These two are cancel each other because plus alpha minus alpha. So here we have 3 beta which is equal to 2q minus p. So 3 beta which is equal to 2q minus p. So we have only find beta. So beta which is equal to 2q minus p divided by 3. Okay, so using the first equation alpha plus beta which is equal to p. So here I am going to put instead of beta 2q minus p divided by 3 which is equal to p. So here alpha which is equal to, alpha is nothing but of 2 by 3 into 2p minus q. Okay, so we found alpha equal to this is and beta equal to this is. So we have to multiply these two terms because r which is equal to alpha into beta. So alpha 2 by 3 2p minus q. So beta which is equal to 2q minus p divided by 3. So we have to multiply these two. So 3 3s are 9. So the numerator 2, that is not going to change, but denominator is multiplication of 3 into 3. So that's why 3 into 3, 9. So the remaining is same, 2p minus q and 2q minus p. So this is the value of r. So value of r is 2 by 9 minus 2p minus q, 2 by 9 into 2p minus q, 2q minus p. So that is in the option D. 2 by 9, 2p minus q, 2q minus p. So 2 by 9, 2p minus q, 2q minus p. So thank you for watching this video.